Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, May 15 to 17, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Localized Foundation, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Aboitiz Power, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. This is a stationary front affecting Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands. So there will be some breezy conditions with cloudy skies and some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms expected for the next 24 hours. And we have here a weak subtropical low pressure which is expected to weaken within the next 24 hours. It will be absorbed into this frontal system. And we have a high pressure here near Okinawa. So windy conditions will be expected here over the Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands along the edge of this frontal or stationary front. All across the Philippine Islands, we expect afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail for the next 3 days. So every afternoon or evening, expect thunderstorms to or localized thunderstorms to occur. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, your rain gear, since we are now in the middle of May and the southwest monsoon or the southwesterly wind flow is just around the corner. Actually, for the next 7 to 10 days, we will be having some light winds from the southwest as multiple low pressure area begins to form in the vicinity of eastern China and Japan, which will trigger some enhancement of the southwesterly winds, and the high pressure or the cold high pressure system over Australia is starting to set up, okay, on that area over central Australia, which will trigger the start of the summer monsoon here in Asia Pacific. So again, watch out for lightning strikes and possible flooding when we have severe thunderstorms occurring in your respective areas. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area or tropical cyclone that will affect our country or that will develop over the Western Pacific within the next 3 days. And here's the fast animation. So you can see here a large frontal system which is extending all the way across the Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands, while localized thunderstorms will continue to prevail across the Philippine Islands. If we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, so you can clearly see here some developing thunderstorms across Mindanao, Visayas, and various sections of Luzon, including Bicol. So it's now time, and we expect more thunderstorms to occur every afternoon as we move into the third week of May. Now let's take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model from windy.com. For the next 24 hours, tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we expect that the shallow LPA embedded within the frontal system will be absorbed into that frontal boundary. It's no longer there, but there will be some converging southwesterly and easterly winds along to the west of the Batanes, while the rest of the archipelago will remain calm to variable winds with some westerly, very light westerly winds from the West Philippine Sea, affecting Palawan, Mimaropa, and western Luzon. Now on Wednesday afternoon, we expect the winds will continue to shift. The whole of the South China Sea and West Philippine Sea will be experiencing some light southwesterly winds because of the remnants of Cyclone Mocha, which is expected to appear in the vicinity of Hanoi, Vietnam, as it moves towards the northeast. And as expected, we are going to experience some light southwesterly winds, not yet a full-blown monsoon or southwest monsoon. So there will be some thunderstorms that will occur here across the areas of Luzon, and we will going to show to you in a while. And right here over the Western Pacific, south of Guam, there is a converging westerly and easterly winds that is likely to form a low pressure area between May 20 to 23. So watch out for that. So if we take a look at that LPA, let's move our cursor to Saturday, May 20. There you go. This is now an active LPA that will form based on the American model. And it will intensify into a tropical depression on Sunday, May 21. Monday, May 22, it will start to become a tropical storm. Tuesday, May 23, it could be a very strong tropical storm or even a Category 1 typhoon. And on Wednesday, May 24, it will pass to the south of Guam as a Category 1 or Category 2 typhoon. That's based on the American model. Now, let's take a look at the European model. On the European model, it's just a low pressure area on the 20th. Sunday, May 21st, it will become still a moderate LPA. Monday, May 22, it will become an active one. May 23, it will remain as an active LPA with no development yet. And on Wednesday, May 24, it could become a tropical depression to the south of Guam. So if we look at the American model, it's already a typhoon, but the European model is just an active LPA or even a tropical depression. So we still don't know what will be the future track of that system, but when I look at the 10 to 14 day forecast, the models shows moving towards Japan, okay, or even towards the open waters of the Western Pacific. So that's the scenario of this tropical system that will form during the third week of May 2023. Now, let's take a look at the rain forecast from the European model. This is still from the windy.com app. So by tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we expect more thunderstorms to occur in various sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Calabarzon, northern sections or western sections of Bicol region, Mimaropa, Western Visayas, as well as Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga and Lanao area. And on Wednesday, May 17, more thunderstorms should be expected in various sections of the country. And also on Thursday, May 18. So every afternoon, we expect this kind of thunderstorms. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, rain gear to protect you from this heavy rainfall whenever there's a thunderstorm. Okay? So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday to Wednesday, and we will return within the middle of the week to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.